everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? It's a bright day out. The year is coming to an end. However, we still have bright skies, and that's a beautiful thing. The weather is beautiful here, and I hope it is too where you are. So today, as usual, we're bringing you a video on how we made one of our bespoke pieces. We call this one the Jaguar or the Cheetah. I haven't quite decided on what name we're going to stick with. But yes, we're still going to walk you through how we made it. You can call it whatever you want to call it when you're done making it. Well, it's a dress, an ankle length dress, yeah, slitted high up to the hip, right? And then it has this cowl. That's the general style. A cowl, ankle length, and then slits all the way to the hip, right? That's a really beautiful and sassy look for those who like that type of look. All right, so before I dive in, are you new to our channel? You should go subscribe. We bring you brand new videos on a weekly basis on to inspire you, yeah, or to show you how we made one of our bespoke pieces. All right, like we're doing today. We have our galleries on Instagram, gallery for wedding apparel. You find that on at Makisode Weddings, and then the gallery for corporates and casuals. You find that at Makisode Models. We're going to be putting the links in the description box, so you can visit us anytime and follow us, like our post, share, and definitely leave us a nice comment. Yeah. Okay, so this dress we made in panels, the front panel and the back panel, right? We started with the back panel, yeah, the back panel, so that we can have the starting with the back panel usually gives you a full view of what the dress is going to be looking like at the end of the day. Remember that usually most of the drama, people like to do their drama in the front, on the front panel of their dresses. So the back panel usually is usually, not all the time, is plain and an easy walkthrough. So yeah, we started with the back panel. So the back panel starts all the way. We worked the lace part first. So we have this lace pattern put together. We worked that all the way to the diaphragm. If you don't know where the diaphragm is that point between the breast and the navel. So that's the diaphragm, just underneath your breast, right? That's the diaphragm. So we worked that all the way up there, and then we used must stitch to finish up all the way to the shoulder. Do not forget that you have to make room for the armhole, meaning you're going to have to separate into a back panel eventually, and because there's going to be somewhere you're going to have to put your arms. Okay, so that's it for the back panel. Front panel similar. All right, starting from the lace part of it. Okay, work the lace part first, and then there's a little twist, a difference in the front panel top part where you have the must stitch. All right, so we worked that up too. However, immediately we got to I think just about 1 2 3 4 5 rows beyond the armhole point, right? We stopped working evenly. We now divided it into 2 parts to create sleeves for starters. Now, why did we do this? We did this to make room for this cowl, right? The cowl has to droop very well. So, and the drooping would work if you actually give it a very low neckline, which is what we try to achieve here. All right, so that very low neckline is what makes this cowl to sit really nicely. And then for the cowl, we use the same pattern of the lace down here. However, we used a thinner yarn type for it, and so it's really soft to the skin and just sits really, folds nicely, sits nicely. It is really beautiful. All right, so that's about it. So that's the how we added this neck panel, sorry, the cowl part. Okay, so lastly, I'd like to walk us through how we did this. We did the joining. We had to join both panels, of course. You get, so yeah, we did surface stitching in back loops of the 2 panels, right? So back loop of this panel, back loop from the other panel, whatever, because we actually first of all lined it. We first of all edged it with single crochet stitches all around. So those single crochet stitches, right, those single crochet stitches, they are back loops only. We use that, we surface stitched into those loops and it created this very beautiful look. That's why we used a different color. Yeah, you know how to surface stitch? If you don't, do ask us in the comment section, and then we'll probably put together a video for you. Now the slits, we also edge the slits using the chains and slip stitch method. Yeah, that design. Yeah, just to keep it mild. We didn't want any drama with the edging, so that's about it. It's a really beautiful dress. Edge your armhole as you see fit. Edge your cowl as you see fit. Yeah, just put it together. It gives a nicely put together look when I use this different color. However, you can keep it, conservative by using the same color you used on the dress. You can do whatever you want. You can use different colors all through. Different color for the cowl, a different color for the front panel, a different color for the back panel, whatever works for you. So is there any part of this video that's not quite clear? Do let us know in the comment section, and then we'll do our best to give you explicit responses. Yeah, so thank you so much again for watching. Thank you so much for staying tuned to our channel. Thank you for subscribing. Do stay